inquiry and investigation and the slight difference between them. Basically, the both are the means for the administration of justice and may be used and applied interlinkedly. Both have some slight difference. First of all, the inquiry. Inquiry are the proceedings conducted by courts, tribunals, and other like executive or administrative councils. Inquiry then are used for the examination of statements of truth and false, for determining the merits of a case, and as it is the last step of trial, it usually occurs by giving recommendations in report to the higher authorities that may use them as a proof for the administering justice and investigation. In contrast, are in general any proceedings, but mostly these are the criminal law domain. We can get help easily by looking at how these are conducted. These are conducted by the executive officers, especially and most commonly the police. They may investigate by visiting crime scene, collecting evidence, and arresting or inquiring again from the suspected persons. These are the base for trial before the court of law. Based on the investigation and evidences that are collected form the raw material basically for trial, and in the court of law then the parties defend and argue against their points. We saw the slight difference, a slight difference between them, but as they both are interlinked because they are the means for the administration of justice, and to administer justice they both are the steps. Now, after conducting this short presentation, Global 360 will always welcome your suggestions and are looking forward for your like, comment and subscription. Thank you.